Hello everyone. In previous video we have seen the installation of pandas module in the Python, and we will see its testing. So let's get started. For the testing of pandas module, we need to just check it out, and that if pandas has installed in our Python or not. So we will simply execute this code, import pandas as pd. If it runs and if it gives some result, then it means it has already installed, and we will use some further practices of certain codes. So let's see. Yeah, you can see it has executed without any error. If I have been entered something else, so it will be showing me this error. So basically this is the fact, and we will look further for the practices, and for that we need to just know what is data structures in pandas. So basically, a data structure is a way of storing and organizing data in a computer so that it can be accessed and worked with with an appropriate way. It is a collection of data value and operation that can be applied to that data. Okay. So basically, it is of three types. The first one is series. Series is one-dimensional structure which stores homogeneous data, means same data type. I mean, if you're writing something from a row inside it, so it will be of same data type. If you are entering alphabet, so it will be alphabet, nothing else. That's exactly means homogeneous. And second is data frame. Data frame is actually a two-dimensional structure storing heterogeneous mutable data that is uh, uh, that used to store multiple data type. Series is used to store single data type, and data frame is used to store multiple data types with heterogeneous mutable data. I mean, if you are entering something in your Panda Python, so you have free access to enter anything to the Python. You need not to worry that I have to enter the same data type. Okay. And the third and the last one is the panel is the three-dimensional way of storing items. Actually, panel has uh, a exceptional one, and it is not necessary. We will enter here the basic codes, import pandas as pd, and we will execute for the first series alignment, that is s1 is equal to pd dot series. And remember, series first letter must be in caps lock, and I am not entering anything here, so it will give the nothing, because I haven't entered any list or variable inside this box. So it is giving me a sort of statement that object will contain a, and now we will use to list to. So from here we need to go to the file section and we will execute a codes and we will run it. For that we will enter import pandas as pd, and next we will use a series which is equal to pd dot series, and this must be in caps locks. And next we will enter some numbers so that it give results. You can as add this hashtag for understanding to yourself. And next we will use the print command to print this series. So we will run this code. Just look it properly. We are going to run this code. For running this code, first of all we need to save this. I am just entering randomly. Look, it has given the same order of numbers which I have entered there, and its data type is integer. I am just entering month, name, and its date, January, February, March. Remember, you need to place these in inverted commas so that it appears green in color. Okay, and number of days will be. So guys, you need to enter same number of list in both the form. I mean, here is three variable, so here also should be three numbers, and for this it will run. For running, this source must be saved. I am saving this. So see, the same thing has appeared and its data type is integer.